Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little tool haul going on. Uh, this is a two-cycle or two-stroke carburetor adjustment kit that I picked up. Uh, I had a kit like similar to this years back. Let somebody borrow it. It never returned. It's by a different company. I bought this off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the or on my wish list from my channel homepage. If you click on my Amazon link there, go down, you'll see this. This was about 20 bucks for this thing. Nice little kit. Let's open it up and I'll show you what it all comes with. Let's start out with these. These are like your torch tip cleaners. They, except for these, have little nylon brushes also. You can see the little nylon brushes there, a little Allen wrench on there, some different sizes of the cleaners to get down in the little orifices and stuff. My other kit didn't have these. I've used them before. I had a set that I bought separate from my old kit. Really liked them. I'm glad this kit come with them. It also comes with a tachometer to adjust the RPMs for idle and for maximum RPMs. Really handy to have. This kit comes with that, and then it comes with 10 different adjusting screwdrivers. It comes with a small Torx bit, all the different styles and sizes that you need to adjust all the different two-stroke carburetors. I'll put pictures up of what each one is. I really like this kit. It comes in a nice little hard case, or semi-hard case, so you won't lose them in your toolbox. It's got a nice little band here to help hold the screwdrivers in. They do have like a mesh pocket here, but it's a zipper case, so you can zip it up and throw it in your go bag or whatever if you're going on a service car or something. But I really like this kit. Like I said, it did come off Amazon. That's the name of it. Don't ask me how to pronounce it, but Hypa. I don't know. I looked all over different kits and stuff. This is the one I really liked. One of the big pluses of it is these have the square handles on them, so if you're doing a quarter turn, you know, it's easier to keep your eye on where you're at with that adjustment and everything. So I think this is going to make a really nice addition back into my toolbox, and I won't have to keep searching around for different ones and buying one here or there. This is the complete kit. So just real quick here for you. So appreciate you all stopping and checking it out. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit all for get all the different videos that I put out. And I appreciate you all stopping in. I couldn't do it without you. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.